Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be here. I know, right? Did you get? Well, the whole COVID happened and everything happened, but who cares? I'm here. Well, I am so excited because I can't wait to share how I made this lovely centerpiece with you. And I know you guys have been seeing this online, but mine will be coming with a little bit twist and a little bit touch. So if you want to know how I achieved this, keep watching. So one of the materials I'll be using is a hula hoop, yeah. And now depending on how you want your centerpiece, the size of your centerpiece to be will determine the size of hula hoop you need. Well, I wanted mine to be bigger, so I went for the big one and I spray painted it in gold. You can spray paint yours in any desired color of your choice, yeah. You will also be needing a rectangular wooden boss. It was measured and I had to drill both sides. Yes, you can use your drilling machine, but if you don't have, you could give it to someone who can do it for you. Very easy. What would the centerpiece be without flowers? Of course, we'll be using these flowers, and these are the red roses. I'll be making use of them. You can use any flower of your choice. The green leaves, we'll be using it for this centerpiece. You don't need so much, maybe 6 to 7 branches of it is enough, depending on how you want it to be on your centerpiece. And yes, we'll be needing a glass cup. I'll recommend a tall one for that. And very importantly, we'll be needing our hot glue to glue our flowers to the centerpiece. We'll also be making use of the flower foam because without it, you can't form the centerpiece, so you'll be needing a flower foam. So without wasting so much time, let's jump right into it. I can't wait. Like I said earlier on, I can't overemphasize this. You need to drill both ends of your wooden box. So after that, what you want to do next is to divide the flower foam into two. Then after which, I took my glass cup and made a hole in the center of the flower foam before placing it or gluing it to the wooden box. If you want to know how I achieved this, or if you want a detailed video to explain this, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Then after that, I went in with my hula hoop and carefully placed it in between where I drilled on both ends of the wooden box. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as ABC if you just follow the process. So now it's time to take in your glass cup, place it in the middle of the centerpiece before the arrangement of the flowers. I will highly recommend that you place your glass cup first before you arrange your flowers so that you don't end up covering the space which is intended for your glass cup with the flowers. Very, very easy if you follow the process. So as you can see, I've finished arranging my flowers at the down layer, so I am going to go in with the green leaf and arrange it by the side of the centerpiece. That's just what I'm going to do.
Alei Casa.
So what you want to do is also recreate the leaf arrangement behind the centerpiece so that the centerpiece gets to look the same whether viewed from any angle. So after that, I went in with the roses and I glued it to the centerpiece. Please guys, I am so sorry, my camera went off, it was low and I had to charge it, and I am so sorry that I didn't get to show that part. So sorry about that, please. And here's guys, this is the final look. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, this centerpiece is breathtaking. Like, it is breathtaking. I love everything about it. It can actually go in for any kind of event whatsoever. And yes guys, please comment down below, let me know what you think. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share, and I will be going through every bit of the comment. Please, if there's anything else you felt I should have improved better on, or I need to add, or you felt I should have done, please write it down on your comment and I will do what you want me to do. And also, if there's anything else you want me to recreate for you, please comment down below and I will be looking forward to it. But until then, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on IG, Billy Creations, and yes, I'll be seeing you on my next video. But until then, bye.